14 years ago, I formed Thompson Law because I wanted to create something different. I knew that I had to honor God's calling on my life, and my passion was families, keeping families together. The last 5 years or so, I really realized that in order for us to grow, I had to train other people, and the reality is I found out that I really do have the heart of a teacher.
My name is Lindsay Harris. I'm an attorney at Thompson Law. I was mentored pretty much exclusively under Carolyn. She has a great mentorship program. She brings us all in. We get to see hundreds of clients with her and see what her approach is and learn, how she handles clients. And honestly, it's just an amazing way to practice law.
My name is Rebecca Longcrow. I'm an attorney at Thompson Law in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I chose to join the firm of Thompson Law because after meeting with Carolyn, I thought that she had a really unique structure in this firm. I could tell when I met her that she truly does have a passion for making sure that her clients are taken care of. And it was so valuable for me to have an attorney who was willing to mentor me.
My name is Ryan Pomerlow. I'm an attorney at Thompson Law. I've done everything from estate planning to business planning. I now do the prenups for our office as well. I help with trust and estate administration after somebody's passed away. I work sometimes behind the scenes to help other attorneys and sometimes meet with clients individually too.
At Thompson Law, we have a team approach, and what that means is that any of our attorneys would be able to help on your file if necessary. So even if an attorney was for some reason unavailable, we have a process in place and a protocol to make sure that our clients are always taken care of.
Having a uniform process is important because a client wants to know from the beginning what it's going to look like to get this estate plan put together. So from the start, they have a roadmap, and that brings them comfort knowing what our process looks like the first time that they meet us, when they'll see us again, when the documents will be ready to sign, what their plan looks like when it's all put together.
I have set Thompson Law up so that it was going to continue beyond my retirement, beyond our clients' retirement. There are fail-safe mechanisms in place because it's not about my legacy, it's about the legacy of the clients we serve. And it was so important to me that we are able to serve clients for multiple generations. And that's why there is a huge education requirement here at Thompson Law.
Thompson Law is a member of the American Academy of Estate Planning Attorneys. The American Academy is a national organization with attorneys all across the country. Thompson Law is actually the exclusive member in parts of South Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa, and Nebraska. The Academy requires its members to partake in extensive continued learning education on estate planning and business succession. And because of that, Thompson Law attorneys are continuing to learn and grow in the legal areas that we serve, which include estate planning and business succession.
We all work with the same purpose, the same passion, and you are going to get the same service regardless of who was here, who is here now, and who may be here in the future.
God has had his hand on this practice. He's the one who called me to it. And there are many things that we can look back at in our life and say, oh, I wish I would have. Or you can say, I am so glad I did. And I can tell you, I am so glad I followed him